What's up, you guys? This is your World of Prep 12 here. This is the first time you see my body like that, is that you don't see my face. On my previous video, I saw you could see my face, but, well, not the previous video, but, like, before on my videos. But we got 2 new Dark Explorers booster packs. So, let's start opening it, shall we? We'll open first Pearson. So, I don't know if you could hear me. Is that right? I'm next to a fountain. So, if you didn't hear that, I'm next to a fountain. So, first we're gonna open this one. We got new things coming up, maybe in the future. There's a new thing maybe in the future that's coming. So let me get the cards. Doesn't come with a code card. That's kind of weird. But we got Pearson and a Meowth. So let's put that aside. Put the trash aside. Money. So we're gonna open the sample pack first. So let's see what we get. We get Karrablast, Piplup, Ducklett, and a list of Dark Explorers cards. So we got those. Now we're gonna open this Darkrai. Hope we get an EX. If you didn't, I don't know if you guys could hear me. Seriously don't know if you guys are hearing me. I don't know if this fountain's too loud for you guys. So put the code card aside. 1, 2, 3. So we got a Flareon, Pelagame's Gym and Cass, Electric, Zara, Shelmet, Woobat, Chansey, Clink, Slowbro, and a rare Vista Hollow Slowbro, and a rare Axelor. Awesome. That's from the first one. Put that aside. And open the second one. Sorry for showing off my leg. It's at in a different place right now. I'm for my sister to do something. I seriously don't know if you guys are doing. Still complicated. So we got a Lucario and a Riolu. Put that aside. No. Mommy. So let's open the sample pack. Hope we get an EX on this other pack right here. Got a Dwebble, Lillipup, and a Joltik. in a card list. Put that inside. Let's see if we get an EX. Oh, please get an EX. I opened this pack really weird. So, put the code card aside. 1, 2, 3, 2. We got a Dark Patch, a Scyther, a Pokemon Receiver, Vanillite, Chansey, Sandile, Tynamo, Piplup, Rubbai, a rare Rubbai, a hollow, and a rare Excalibur. So yeah, we didn't get an EX. Hope we get an EX in the future. So peace out, guys. If you haven't, make sure you subscribe. Comment down below which is your favorite card of the Dark Explorer set. And peace out, you guys.